Today is reading angel number 1 and angel number 2. So choose as per what you resonate with and we will start the reading. This reading is whether you should stay in this relationship or move on. Angel 1 and 2. So for the ones who have chosen angel 1, we have the 5 of Pentacles, which shows that this relationship that you are in has become very, very toxic. There is no future in this relationship and you must try to let go of this toxic connection which is no longer serving you, which is not helping you. Eight of Swords shows that because you are in a very toxic connection and you feel very, very stuck, you must not hesitate and you must let go of this person, because that will be the correct decision for you. Even though you may be hesitant to let go, this is the right thing for you to do. We also have the Ace of Cups showing that after letting go, after being bold enough to let go, having faith in yourself, you will be able to attract a meaningful, positive and prosperous relationship for yourself and you will flourish. Now next, for the ones who have chosen angel number 2, we have the Knight of Cups, which shows that you must move ahead in this relationship. The relationship that you are in, it is the correct option for you and the correct choice for you, that you must move ahead in this relationship. Four of Pentacles shows that if you are not okay with certain things in this relationship, you must communicate this with your partner. It is very, very important to communicate. It is very, very important that you express what you feel. Holding on to your old patterns, holding on to your old behaviors will not serve you. Justice card shows that overall this relationship that you are in is going to be very, very fruitful for you and it's going to help you attract the kind of abundance, marriage, prosperity, fulfillment, having a content feeling with your partner. It's going to give you a fulfilling relationship. 10 of Pentacles with Justice shows that you and your partner, when you work hard together, both of you will be able to manifest your dream life together. So this is the correct relationship to be in.